colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love.
Ay, dapat
Bakit kukunin naman na ganyan na?
Maganda tayo, record.
Huwag na kasi bay.
Game.
Ano yun? First question.
Game. Dapat about future life decision.
Future life, future life. Nagre-record.
Ano,
Or ikaw first question, what's your plan in the future?
what's your plan after, after graduation? Anong plan? Anong course kukunin sa college? Yun.
Undecided pa ako.
Ano? BSA. Business.
Accountancy?
BSB.
Basta it's about
Business.
business. Business nga about business.
Accountancy, oh.
Business.
Ako, undecided. Hindi pa din ako nakaisip.
Undecided.
Pero ano yung gusto mo bata ka? Ano gusto mo nung bata ka? Ano gusto mo?
Future? Ano? Pupulis ano ako. Kaso, sa isip ko ngayon,
Ano? Naka-record.
ngayon, hindi decided. Hindi decided. Ha?
Undecided.
Wala pa akong naisip ngayon.
Undecided po siya guys. Okay,
Depende.
move forward. Ano nga yung pinag-usapan natin? Oh.
Alam ko na.
About love.
Beach wedding or church wedding?
Church wedding, siyempre. Church wedding.
Kasi
After church wedding, go to the beach. Beach wedding first. No, it depends sa'yo. Church wedding. Mag-church wedding ka pero
Huwag na.
mag-church wedding ka tapos mag-ano ka, beach wedding. Beach wedding. Isa mo yun naman yun. If you love that person, you need to marry 5 times.
sa iba't ibang lugar. Nangyari.
You have civil wedding, church wedding, beach wedding.
Gusto mo, bundok pa. Mountain
Mountain
wedding.
wedding.
Ay, ay ano,
Forest wedding.
bed wedding.
Ano?
Ano naman ko sa kanya?
Ano? Snow wedding. Peace out. Oh, yun.
Next. About love, about both. What would you rather, low-key or privately?
Low-key.
Low-key nga.
Hindi ko papaalam sa magulang ko. Ay, hindi.
Hindi, papaalam naman.
Papaalam,
When
pero
low-key
hindi
siya.
masyado.
Low-key siya, and then after 5 years, nag-post. Nakakasal na kayo. Uy!
Ganon.
Then people say,
Kasi pag ikaw maraming deduction na gano'n.
diba? Maraming opinion, tapos
Mga problema ka lang.
eh.
Pero paano yan pag gusto niya
Guys.
legal?
Oh. Guys, note guys, mag-loki muna kayo. Then after that, if you get married, saka na kayo mag-play.
Kasi nga, wala silang choice.
Kasi married na kayo guys.
So, anakan mo pa eh.
Tapos nag-post ka na may anak na. Sarap nun.
Tapos hindi nila alam ng kaibigan niya may anak na tatlo.
Kinuha yung una talaga.
Chocolate. Ayan, tapos na. Hindi na doon na-record kanina eh. Balikan natin yun.
Chocolate or flower?
Chocolate.
Flower.
Chocolate and flower.
Both.
Kiss and Joyo
Lights
or
on or lights off?
Lights
Lights
on.
off.
Off, lights off. Tapos may background lights na ano.
red. Lights on, saka
Red
yung
light.
background, red light. Para suwabe.
Ano ba yan?
Ano na?
Bell.
Top or bottom?
Ha?
Ano? Ano?
Top or bottom?
It depends to her. Ay! Kabay. Bilis mo, top or bottom?
Ako sa kanya.
Ano next?
Mateo Morena.
Morena.
Morena. Ay, masama. Paano morena siya? May dalawang question. Next.
Next. Ano? Ilang kids?
Hmm?
The future.
How many kids? How many kids?
in the future?
Ato.
Bakit one?
Two.
Oh, may follow-up question.
Sa akin, ano? Depende sa babae. Ay, depende sa magnanganak ka.
Depende sa asawa.
Kasi pag sa akin, ano? 2. It's enough. Pero kung sa kanya, depende sa kanya.
How many?
Gusto ko madami. Mga 5.
Grabe naman.
Eh,
Kung ano
parang
naman
saya.
Yeah. Pwede naman siya kasi ano.
Tapos pag nagkaapo ka pa sa kanila, di ang dami na. Masaya.
A lot of family is happy family. Oh, next. Age gap, 3 years.
4 years.
4 years.
Kasi 4 years age gap namin.
Ay.
Hindi. 1 year, sabi. 1 year different namin eh.
Paano pag ano, may younger?
What if she's not the one? There's someone that's older than you and younger than you. Would you accept?
Paano pag ano?
You still accept that age?
Nagugulat ako
Kasi,
kapag ano.
ano yun eh? Ay, anong tawag doon?
Hindi mo naman choose yun eh.
Ay, oo nga. Hindi ko nga choice. Yung parang sa kanya ba, yung
Talaga magugulat ako pag si Joanna nag-stop
Then get married.
Oo.
Oh,
Magugulat ako
Kasi
pag nag-seryoso.
hindi nyo nga alam na may jowa ako kasi nilocate.
Oh, next question na. Wala question na. Would you rather, are you rather to stay in the Philippines or go other countries?
Philippines.
Stay.
Stay in
Stay there.
Stay in Philippines.
Stay in the Philippines.
Because
Gusto ko lang yung ano lang, out of country na vacation.
Yes. Same.
ano lang, parang gala-gala lang yung
Like
pupunta.
travel.
City life or province life?
Province
Province
life.
life. Well, province.
Ay, it depends on you, on what happened in the future. If your work is here, then, dito ka.
Yung money, yung pera dito, yung saya sa province. Siyempre. Diba? Kasi maraming tao dito, maraming
Happiness or chocolate?
happiness.
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 Yung happiness niyo.
Happiness namin.
Kasi ano?
Eh, yung chocolate, mauubos lang.
Next.
Next question.
Next question. Kasi sige mga question ko. Next kayo. What na?
Wala naman internet. How do you define love?
How would you define love? Define love? Ikaw.
Safe space.
Say,
Comfort zone.
like, if she's comfortable that place. If she's my home and I'm her home, that's love. divine. Go.
Bahay na.
Sa bahay, sa bahay.
Sa bahay namin.
Okay. What are qualities you look for in a partner? Siyempre, personality.
Attitude.
Attitude. Personality na nga eh.
Oo nga.
din.
Tapos, family-oriented. Yun. Sa'yo.
Siyempre yung matured.
Matured than you. Matured.
Sa akin. Kasi yung nagpapalit yung
Mali mo. Sa'yo.
Mature. Personality.
Ha?
Ano ba?
Matured at saka?
Personality.
anong klaseng personality niya?
What kind of personality?
Very good.
Very good. Wala.
Wala mo.
Basta personality. Basta yung ugali niya. Gusto ko.
What is your love language? Show the love that she deserves.
Ano yung
Gonna-
love language na ibibigay mo sa kanya o yung tatanggapin mo?
Give and take. I mean, if you give it to her. What love?
Lahat. Pero lahat. Pag service.
Ay.
Words.
Okay.
Sa akin siya.
Sa lahat.
Basta sa akin. Physical touch.
Physical touch?
Physical touch. Tingin ka pala.
Ding!
Tingin ka pala.
Okay,
Very
next. What is your ideal relationship? Idea.
Idea namin, tumagal kami ng, ano ba? Ano tanong?
Ideal. Ideal.
Idea ng relationship.
Hindi mahaba pasensya.
Yeah. Patience. Communication.
Communication.
Each other. Okay, what is your biggest fear about love? Mag-commit.
Sa maling tao.
Ako takot ako sa commitment.
Ka nagko-commit lagi.
Hoy, hindi lagi ah.
Oo, talaga.
Hoy, ngayon lang
Sige,
to.
pag hindi kayo ready mag-commit, then don't go to the relationship.
Like ganito, sa chat niya Like ganito.
Huwag ka na magpakita, alam na namin.
Hindi naman siya eh. Ito siya yun.
So you're not ready to have to commit.
Hindi, kasi pag ready kang kumumit sa tao, pag gusto mo. Pero pag
Ganito,
hindi gusto, hindi ka
yung yung gusto mo ng kapartner like magko-comfort sa'yo sa kung may problema ka. Basta ganun, tapos tapos ganito yung
paano pag hindi na siya ganun?
hindi, tapos ganito yung advice. Hindi yung example lang to, yung gusto mo magka-partner tapos takot naman pala sa commitment. Ay, ganun. Ano ba mo? Naka-time stop yun
Hindi yata.
Okay, next. What is the most romantic thing someone has ever done to you? No experience, but
Hindi. You do sa kanila.
you do. Okay, we change to that. We do. Okay, we do. Give things that they deserve. So make them happy. So make her or him.
Ano naman.
Or love she deserves.
Sabihan siya ng maganda.
Sabi na bigyan siya ng necklace.
Tapos mag-give.
Necklace, flower, bracelet. Basta yung mga gamit. Yung gamit.
Okay, what is your favorite things about your relationship?
Having her.
Happiness.
Every night.
Happiness.
Having her.
Having her beside you.
Happiness, siyempre happiness. Happy kami sa lahat ng bagay.
Not always happy though. Kaya yun na yun sa'yo? What would you like to change about it? Oh, change
Change my love.
Change about
Joke lang.
About it. mean, what thing? Or things or attitude like
Gagawa ng away.
yeah.
Small things tapos ano,
Don't put things like if you have fight, don't let be tomorrow. Like, wag mo nang pabukasin. Fix it before you sleep. Na parang may relationship na.
O, pagbigay na advice ka ng relationship.
Okay. Guys, wala pa kami ganyan.
Single pa kami.
Okay. What's something you like to try together?
Travel.
Travel
mag-travel kami sa itaas
Together.
Travel guys, travel.
Mag-jet ski.
Mag-airplane.
Paragliding.
Airplane with ano, night.
Ito. Where would you want to live someday and why?
House.
I
Ano ulit?
preferred question is where would you want to live
House near the beach.
someday?
Ha?
House near the beach.
Yung beach.
Tapos kami lang dun.
Ano sabi?
Ano?
Pero
Kung saan siya masaya. Ay, it depends naman sa inyo eh. Pro city or like
Province.
kung ano, kung saan yung pamilya nyo.
Province.
Malapit.
Masaya sa province.
Paano? Paano pag ano? Paano pag ayaw niya?
basta yun guys, kung saan siya comfortable doon.
Kung saan niya gusto, hindi doon na lang.
Ano pa ito? How do you feel about living with someone? Happy. I mean,
Happy
being with
here.
someone. I'm not experiencing this but having a someone is very helpful if you don't have your family with. Kasi guys, ang hirap ng isa guys. So I'm happy if I'm leaving someone that I love to.
Pag-uwi ka ng bahay nyo,
Pag-uwi ka,
may
may-
yakap ka, may...
Amsing, tapos kapag pagod ka,
kapag
pahinga
pagod
ka
ka.
sa kanya.
May pagkain na yun.
Workaholic man siya.
How did you know you love that person?
Pag ano,
Ako I know that if I love that person, ang bilis ko mag-yes. And I always say yes every time she says something or like, inutusan ka niya. That's how I show my
ano,
love.
ready kang mag-take risk.
Take the risk.
Kahit ano pa yan, kahit ano gusto niyong gawin.
Ito, is romantic love that most important? Love is of all. Not
Not
for
all.
me, not
Not always.
yes.
Kasi
But
parang pagka
romantic
nag-aaway
love.
din kayo, fell out of love din kayo.
Romantic.
Ano ba yung romantic naman? Guys, wala pong internet. Naghanap lang po kami ng question sa Google, okay? Kasi wala pa kami experience.
Kaya nga.
Don't judge us.
TikToks.
Kasi wala kami magawa nito, guys.
Yun naman.
Ayoko.
Who you?
Uwi daw.
Who you?
Guys, ano kami muna ng ano, guys? Ano ba ba question?
Fell out of love din kayo.
Romantic.
Ano ba yung romantic naman? Guys, wala pong internet. Naghanap lang po kami ng question sa Google, okay? Kasi wala pa kami experience.
Kaya nga.
Don't judge us.
TikToks.
Kasi wala kami magawa nito, guys.
Yun naman.
Ayoko.
Who you?
Uwi daw.
Who you?
Guys, ano kami muna ng ano, guys? Ano ba ba question? Ito. If you have someone in your life, gusto mo ba siya magtrabaho o ikaw lang magtatrabaho?
Dalawa kami.
Depends. Kasi,
I mean,
what if may mga gusto din siyang gawin sa life?
like,
Gusto ko ano, dalawa kami nag-work.
Support na din ako. Give and take yun.
supporting each other is so important sa relationship.
Tapos sasabihin nyo, mag-break kayo kasi hindi kayo nag-grow parehas.
Like, is one of you are growing but the other one is not growing. Like, always talking about financial and then the someone is saying na, oh, this is my money because I work this hard. Diyan guys, kaya
Kaya marami naghihiwalay. Away pera.
about financial.
Pero madali lang.
Akala mo kami nag-usap dito, akala mo may mga no, experiences.
Hello.
Sa ganda.
Diba? Next by ano naman?
Bakit po kasi may internet dito?
What is your role model and why? About love ah. Model ko ano?
Ano, magandang...
Gentle. Be gentle.
Gentle women.
Like, don't let her carry the heavy things.
Yung ano, hindi ka ma-pride.
Yes.
Ay, ma-pride kang tao.
Kapag
pero
mataas
pag sa
yung
kanya-
pride, ay, nako.
Sa kanya, okay.
Pag sa kanya, meron din mataas.
As girlfriend na to ba? Sige, girlfriend to, duwan na nalit natin eh. What the worst decision you ever made?
Di ba naman ako nagkaka-joke?
No, sige lang. In your own opinion na. On opinion namin to guys ha.
Decision sa buhay.
Hanap ka ng harap ng duwan mo.
But if you find that one, but it is not her. Oh.
Ako, hindi na ako maghahanap ng dawan ko kasi
Tayin ko na lang na may dumatay.
ako, hindi na ako maghahanap ng dawan ko kasi meron ako. Dapat, loyal na. Kasi
Paano yung pag gusto mo straight? Tapos di ka niya makakita.
Ito.
fame na matangkal.
This is ano ah. When did you know you wanted to be in a relationship with her?
Di pa pumasok
Ano lang
sa
guys? Think if you love that someone ko, daamin ka and then after that, pag ano, gawan mo.
Confess ko.
Pag ano, pag
If you want
sure
to
ka
that
na
person,
talaga.
do all
Pag
your
sure ka
things
na talaga.
that you need to do as in that person. What is your favorite date? Night or movie?
Movie.
Date.
Date. Ay, movie date. Movie.
Ano? Yung nasa
Movie din.
outside. Movie outside. May ganun, di ba? Tapos nasa likod ka ng ano, beach.
Parang camping-camping. Do you want to get married someday? Of course, if you love the person and you're sure that you
Oh,
love him.
what age?
Age to be married? 30.
25.
Bata, boy. Pero ano,
Okay.
25, 7.
Mga 35.
27 to 30.
Sabi ni 30.
25
Pero
lang.
pag nanganak ka, ay hindi, mga ano na lang, 25.
Mas maganda mas maganda,
Maganda maaga.
maaga kasi kapag matanda ka yung anak mo parang hindi pa masyadong like legal age.
Iba nga sa natin.
What you are doing.
If you do, what does your dream wedding look like? Church wedding, like all our family is there watching us.
Then, friends.
Church wedding. Church wedding, tapos sabay beach. Tapos puro family and friends lang.
Like private wedding.
Tapos ano yun, mag-i-stay ng mga 3 nights. 3
Sleep over.
3 days.
Okay. Next is what is your favorite love song?
I wanna be yours.
Lagi kang iniisip.
Yours.
Ano?
Panalangin. Panalangin. Sa mga
Daniel Padilla.
Basta panalangin.
Wanna be yours.
Is there a song that reminds you or like as a couple like ano? If you remember your name. If you hear the song when you first date, what is your
Pansin.
palagi na lang palagi?
Paligiran.
Pinapansin.
How do you describe me to your friend? How do you
Describe me or her?
you to your friend?
Describe.
To her friend. Ano yun? How do you describe to your friend?
Hello.
Hi.
Ay.
Like how you describe us as a friend? Like your partner will describe us as a friend to you.
Partner ko. Supportive.
Supportive friend.
Supportive friends.
Sa lahat ng problema mo, dapat nandiyan siya. Mag-comfort sa'yo. Kasi kapag wala kang friend, walang mag-comfort sa'yo.
Wala magpapala sa'yo.
Ayun na yun, ayun na si Bentin.
Ayan.
Where do you feel the most beautiful? Si Brandon kasi siya in love dito. Ako ano?
Lagi.
Ay.
Lagi naman yung maganda. Kapag walang makeup.
Oo, maganda siya kapag
Ako
wala
ano?
Makeup.
Sa akin ano lang.
Every day, every night, and tomorrow night. Every time I see you,
Sa akin,
I feel beautiful.
Minute-minuto.
Okay na, okay na, okay na.
Basta everyday siya maganda.
What's the first? 17? Okay. What is your favorite type of fish? Kung gusto mo, sige. Balik ka sa yun. Bilis, ikaw na una.
Dito.
6, 5. Ay!
Ano, yung kiss na no, hindi mo alam.
Oh, tapos ibibigyan ka lang.
Front forehead.
Forehead.
What the first things you thought when we met?
Nakita ko siya.
Titibok ulit yung puso ko kahit
Ganda niya. Wala. Tumama ka lang.
The first thing you think or you thought? Ano? She is not talkative. Like she's very quiet.
Alam ko na. First impression ko sa kanya. Sungit.
Oh. Ikaw?
paano ko naman malalaman? Malayo siya.
Will it be a pavement or a sidewalk when I find